Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome to today's SHIBA update. And what a beautiful sight right now, what a beautiful amazing sight. The bull pennant that I talked about yesterday is still in play, and ladies and gentlemen, you're looking for SHIB to come here to the 1387 level, and that's gonna be an amazing, even if you're looking for an entry, that is 33% to the upside, and you do have to put a stop loss down at 968. If you do come down to lose 968, that's not a good sign. So guys, to me, amazing entry opportunity and an amazing longing opportunity all the way up to the 33% level. And guys, if you're interested in our signals, if you want to know what we are buying and when we buy, and if you want to just know the live analysis going on in the market, because I do give the insights, I still have 6 more days to close the signals, and for the entry of July as well. Now this one is looking amazing, and I want to show you Bitcoin because we also have to match Bitcoin. And guys, when you have Bitcoin breaking out of an inverse head and shoulder like this and closing above the neckline, and SHIB also making a bullish pattern like the bull pennant, that's when you are looking to fly to the moon. Simple put. So best of luck. I'm pretty sure that this time you are going to get a few perks out of the market, and you're going to be a nice, good new subscriber. And that's it. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.